Right then, brilliant Baboon swung down and howled.
Yes, Kudu, I know what to do. There's another powerful secret. Shh! We can all use.
Baboon put a hand on Kudu's shoulder and said,
Don't quit. Think big. Consider who you want to be. Know that we are all born extraordinary. Celebrate your possibility and ideas. Shout, I am... Yeah, but I can't.
interrupted Kudu, quaking with fear.
The fiery flames are right there.
Big-eared Elephant came to the rescue, trumpeting to Kudu.
Baboon's right. The secret, works. It's how I put these dangerous flames out. I am strong. I am fearless.
Yes!
Buzzed Busy Bee.
The secret helps me be all I can be. And I am unbelievably amazing.